Up, friends. Hey friends, for today's vlog, we will going to harvest banana. That's the banana, and we have here our friend from Hong Kong.
Hello.
So we will let him experience how to harvest banana.
Yes.
We will going to teach him.
First time harvesting banana.
Yes. So
Only in Philippines.
oh yes, only in the Philippines, you know.
Okay.
So he's brother Jeffrey, and now brother Jeffrey, I will let you harvest that one, the banana fruit. Yes. So how you will going to harvest?
You will teach me.
Okay. Pull first the leaf. Yes, that one. What? Ooh,
Who?
it's not that.
What?
No. It's not that strong, that leaf.
Okay.
So I will be the one to pull it, and then you will little by little cut the tree over there.
This one.
Yes. Or if you can reach more higher, then you
Okay.
can. Yes, okay.
Somewhere like there.
Yeah. So here we are, guys. We will let our friend. Hey, give me the leaf.
Okay.
So okay, little by little cut. Yes. Okay. So ayun guys, mga kaibigan, ating pong tinuturuan itong ating kaibigan na ayan mag ani ng ayan, saging, kasi pwede na siyang pahinugin, kaya i-harvest na natin guys, mga kaibigan. Up, wait. So
Slow.
we will slowly pull this one.
Okay.
Slowly pull. Okay, yan.
So that it will not
So yeah,
and be destroyed.
so that yes, okay,
And
yes,
so
yeah. I will let you experience little by little pull. Yes, and yes, just up. Oh no, no. But okay, that's okay.
I think it's
So
not
and guys, mga kaibigan, hindi po
we kill this.
nadahan-dahan, na biglang hila kaya bumagsak.
It's good.
But yes,
It's just this.
it's just this one.
Yeah. It's just this. Bit.
Yes, so
Everything is good.
yes, go. Are you happy?
Yes.
Okay.
Success.
So, and guys, mga kaibigan, masaya ang ating kaibigan na ito. At ayan, naka-experience siya paano mag-harvest ng saging. So, can you cut there?
Yeah.
Yes. Oops. So, okay. Ayan guys, mga kaibigan, ang experience ng ating kaibigan na to. Are you happy?
Yes.
Okay, very happy.
Thank you.
Yes. So,
I know how to
hey.
harvest banana.
Ayan guys, say goodbye.
Bye bye.
Yes.
See you next time.
Yes. So, ayan guys, ang ating vlog.
God bless.
Yeah. So, ayan guys, ang ating vlog for today's day. Yan, paalam.